how to enter safe mode on a Lenovo PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Lenovo laptop running Windows 11 in safe mode. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm actually going to show you two different ways to do this. First, if you can actually log into your Lenovo computer, and then the second method will be from the lock screen. So if you can log into your computer, the first thing you want to do is simply go down to the Windows Start button, right click it, and then select Settings. Once the settings load, simply select System in the left menu here, then scroll down, and all you want to do is find and select Recovery. Once in Recovery, go down to Advanced Startup and simply select Restart Now. Now, if for some reason you can't find this or it's not in your settings, don't worry about that. The next method I'm about to show you will bring you to the exact same spot you'd get to if you selected Restart Now here. So from the lock screen on your laptop, go down. You may have to select the spacebar to bring up the menu. Select the power button. What we want to do is restart our laptop, but before we select the restart button, make sure you hold down the shift key until it fully reboots into a blue screen. So I'm going to select restart anyways and make sure I'm holding down the shift key. It's going to reboot the computer, and make sure you hold down the shift key and do not let go of it until your screen turns blue. All right, so the screen is blue now. We're at this menu. You can let go of the shift key. And what we want to do is select troubleshoot. Then under troubleshoot, select advanced options. Now select startup settings. And as you can see, it says enable safe mode. So go ahead and select restart. It's going to reboot your computer one more time. And now all we need to do is select the corresponding number. So for me, it says 4, enable safe mode. They do have two other types of safe mode, but you probably just need the regular one. So go ahead and select 4 on your keyboard to enable safe mode. And once you do that, it's going to reboot again. You'll need to log back into your computer, but this time when you log in, it'll be in safe mode. And you can tell it's in safe mode because in the corners of your screen, it says safe mode. So that's how you enter safe mode on a Lenovo PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.